Nah. Nope. Just a little tiny guy. It's a little baby guy. Baby sale. It's time for sale. A baby sale. A baby sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. A baby sale. It's time for sale. A baby sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. Your nails. A baby sale. Your nails. Ooh, we got a little tiny baby sale for you in October. It's just a little guy. He's so cute and adorable.
You guys are so cute.
Little baby sale for you, October. First up, this is a doozy. Greg's signature brush, 50% off. There is no better brush than this. It is a beauty, the highest quality nail brush you will ever find on the market. And it's 50% off. You will not see this price anywhere else except for our October little tiny guy baby sale. Also, all slick pore powders. All! Yeah, every little powder, every single one, every size, everything. All sizes of slick pore powder are 50% off! Oh my God, that even scared me. 50% off, you say? 50% off, I say! High five!
Up top.
Dude, if you use slick pore, now is the time to get it at this price. You will not see this anywhere else. 50% off all slick pore powders. Yeah! In addition, we've got buy a manicure base, get a manicure top for free. Buy a manicure base, get the top for free. It's kind of like a BOGO, but not really a BOGO. It's sort of a little BOGO. It's a manicure base top. Blah, 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 blah. This combination is sick. Buy the manicure base and get the top for free. Finally, Young Nails brush on glue. Buy one, get one free. You do tips, get the brush on glue. It is one of our top sellers. Yes, it is. Buy one, and then you get the other one for free. And 1 + 1 is 2. You divide it by 2, and it's 1. It is 1 piece. I get 2 pieces for the price of 1. I'm scared. Boo. Young Nails October sale starts Sunday, October 8th at 5 p.m. Pacific and goes all the way to Friday, October 13th, 11:59 p.m. Pacific. Tons of items here with all the slick pore, with the manicure base and top, and Greg's brush, the brush on glue. There is tons of item. Do not miss this sale. And one more thing, one last thing for this little tiny baby guy sale. It's time for sale! A baby sale! A baby sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! A baby sale! It's time for sale! A baby sale! Get the sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale!